Okay guys, so you've probably wondered if you get these expensive cans of paint like we just did, how do you actually clean them, or can you reuse them, or how do you keep them from going bad? Simple little video. You see it right here. We get this nozzle gets really bad, and then inside of here the stuff can dry out, and before you know it, your $25 can of paint's just not good after a little bit of sitting. So how do we get the most out of it? Very simple. First, point the object, the nozzle, the black part of the nozzle right there, you're going to point it away from you, and then you're just going to go, you're going to push down on it. See, it's pushed away from me. We're going to push down on it until it clears its throat, is what we call it. So now, just like that, it's completely clean. Flip it back over. You could use other stuff. You could use even the acetone we used earlier. Windex works just fine. And same thing with the clear coat. This clear coat is some good stuff, but if you don't do this, it won't be good in a very short period of time. Just turn it upside down once again. And there it is. It's cleaned out. And see, with clear coat, you won't even know that it's jammed up, but there we go. Let's clean our nice little bottles up and cap them and call it. Anyway, guys, hope you like that little tip. Nice quick little video, but someone out there don't want to waste their paint, so I just decided I'd make the video. Good luck, peace and love from the car man. See you, baby.